Good day guys, if your Walmart order got cancelled unexpectedly, don't worry, in this quick guide I'll explain why it happens and how you can fix it or prevent it from happening again. So before fixing it, let us understand first main reasons why Walmart cancels orders. So if your credit card or payment method couldn't be verified or was declined, Walmart automatically cancels the order. Sometimes the item goes out of stock after you've placed the order. Wrong or incomplete addresses can trigger cancellations. If Walmart's system flags an order for potential fraud, it may cancel it for security reasons. And for marketplace orders, third-party sellers might cancel if they can't fulfill your order in time. And Walmart usually sends an email explaining why the order was cancelled. Open that message and look for any mention of payment issues, stock availability, or verification problems. If the issue was payments related, log to your Walmart account, go to payments methods and make sure your card or PayPal info is up to date, and then try reordering the item. Also, you can contact them directly, so on this help page right here, with cancelled orders, you just scroll down, press on chat with us, and then you just log in here and you can start talking to them about the issue. If none of these solve it, this is exactly where you go, and that's how you fix or prevent Walmart order cancellations. And if this helped you out, leave a like and check the description for more shopping and account troubleshooting guides.